Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made my sandblasting cabin. So watch the video and enjoy. This is what it looks like after sandblasting. First, I ordered a chipboard panel to the size I needed for the cabby. Now I'm going to screw it all together to make a box. I put a tie up so I can screw the door to it. Now I will go and cut the hole for plexiglass. I will put 2 shock absorbers for the door to open by itself. I will also put 2 locks on the side. Now it's turn for plexiglass. Of course, let's not forget a little light. Now I will drill 2 holes for the hands in which I will put the gloves. This is how it should look like. Now we are welding the 2 supports of the cabby. Now we will place the brackets on the wall. Now we will make a wooden funnel on which we will screw the metal funnel that I bought. This is how it should look like. Now I am placing a metal net where the sand will fall down into the funnel. Now I am placing a metal funnel where the sand will fall down into the container. Now my cabin is ready for sandblasting. I will put a small glass container where the sand will collecting. How do you like this cabin is made exclusively for my needs and will be useful for some things. Thanks for watching.